it's officially fight week. Islam Makhachev versus Ian Machado Gary, and I'm going to preview the main card. And what's up, this is the MMA Buddha. If you're new to the channel, please click the like, click the subscribe. I drop weekly videos about everything that's going in and around MMA. So the UFC is really doing Makhachev bad by this card, UFC 330, 15th August, which we are looking forward to. And Machado Gary is going to face Islam Makhachev, and I'm going to predict the fight. And I'm also going to like analyze some things around the fight, because I really think that this is the worst numbered card ever in UFC history. I know it's 2 title fights, but no one really cares about the first title fight of the night, the co-main event. No one cares about it. It's Mackenzie Dern versus Juliana Roberts or something like that. And I know it's a title fight, but they should have put a stacked card if you are going to have that title fight where no one knows. That is not Zhang Weili, that is not Grasso, that is none of the famous women that should be on the co-main event. And as Islam Makhachev's manager, I think Ali Abdelaziz has to look at the situation, because how do you have my fighter, the best pound for pound fighter in the world, fighting on a card like this? Like, who are these people on this card? Or are you trying to build all these people off the name of Islam Makhachev? And if that's the case, bro, I think Ali Abdelaziz, I hope they paid him, because that is the worst card I have ever seen. And then we're gonna analyze the fight. And Ian Machado Gary has been saying a lot of things, and a lot of people in the MMA world are not agreeing with Ian Gary because of the things he's been saying, that women should run the world. His wife called him a pussy when he didn't fight Kamzat in the elevator. A lot of things Ian Machado Gary has been saying. And going to this fight, Ian Machado Gary does have a chance. I must say, he does have a chance of winning against Islam Makhachev. But who has he finished? Because he went to a decision with Belal Muhammad, and I think championship rounds are where Belal Muhammad goes in and uses his cardio. So having a main event for which is 3rd round, I don't think that was good to get Ian the title fight, because even in that fight you can see that he was really struggling. He was really struggling with Makhachev, with Belal, I mean. And Islam Makhachev is way better than Belal, way better in the striking than Belal. And for me, in this fight, Islam Makhachev has been sparring with Chanko, aka John Pork, as everyone knows. And I really think Islam Makhachev is going to take him down and finish him there. Like, I really think Islam Makhachev is going to win via submission in this fight. I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to Islam Makhachev remaining the welterweight champion and then continuing his streak at welterweight. And I'm really hoping he's going to fight soon and fight Prates. I don't want Prates to fight again. I want him to fight Islam Makhachev for the title, because Ian Gary, he fights long. Yes, he's good at keeping the distance, but he doesn't have that one knockout power. And I don't think he can try to do that with Islam Makhachev, because Islam is going to kick him, he's going to attack him, and when he holds him, it's going to be bad. So, hey man, looking forward. And if you are new to the channel, or this is your first time, this is the MMA Buddha, just subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to drop like more videos. So see you.